domestic violence survivors, they need empathy, they need help, they need support. They don't need judgment. They need to know that people are still going to be supporting them, whether they stay in that relationship or whether they get out.
We do many things for the victims. We're pretty much their eyes and ears. We report to the victims as far as what is happening in the criminal justice process. Unfortunately, many of the times the victims are not able to attend any of the court hearings, so we're in court on their behalf. We report back to them exactly what happened, what was transpired in court, provide them with the next court date. Based on the victim's needs, that's pretty much what we focus on. Some of the victims in domestic violence situations are in need of food, clothing, so we do a lot of referrals to community-based organizations based on the victim's needs.
Empower Yolo is a nonprofit organization that assists victims with emergency shelters and finding permanent housing. They also assist with getting assistance with their utility bills, food, clothing, transportation. They often need counseling. California Victim Compensation Program also assists them with the counseling.
It's very important for the community to know that domestic violence is very prevalent. It occurs every day, all of the time. It doesn't always get reported. Many times it goes unreported. So it's important for the community to be able to talk about it openly, to have it be a subject that's not taboo.
If somebody suspects domestic violence, I would recommend that they reach out to local resources, including sexual assault and domestic violence agencies, and even the internet. There are so many local resources and actually apps that help people safety plan and try to take surveys to answer questions to see if they are in a safe or stable relationship. There's actually something called the My Plan app that I recommend that people can use. And there's also a resource called 211. And what people do is they simply call 211 wherever they're located. They provide their zip code wherever they might be. And that service acts as like a web browser would. And it allows them to ask for whatever resource they might need, including, phone numbers for a crisis line, or other resources that they might be needing, to really try to figure out who they can talk to figure out and understand what they might be going through.